Just give me. Hello. Am I audible now? Is now I'm audible? Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. So then let's start our session from starting. So, hello everyone, welcome back to this live resume session. Today we are going to review the resume of some freshers and some working professional who wants to start their career into cloud, data analytics and AI. And if also you want to get your resume reviewed, then please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you are looking for free AWS voucher, please check out the latest video on my channel. And without any further delay, let's get started. So Purvesh sent me his resume for he is looking for internship and he sent me his resume for review purposes. So he is currently a BTech student. He is IBM certified, which is good to mention in the LinkedIn headline. And then you mention about the cloud architect. So I can tell you that no fresher can directly go up to cloud architect since I'm working as since a long time in cloud industry. So better you write something like cloud engineer, cloud developer, or any type of cloud role you are looking for. But cloud architect isn't directly, no, you can't go for it unless you are going into very, very big company and still they won't consider you as an architect. You work first as an engineer, as a developer, and then you become an cloud architect at the later point of time. Quantum computing enthusiast in photography. So yeah, this headline looks correct. Just a minor change you need to do at here. And another thing is you mention you send the resume in PDF format, which is very good to do that. Always send your resume in non-editable format in PDF format. And you mention your name in the title of the resume, so which is also good. So here is your resume. So by clearly seeing your resume, I can totally say it is a resume of fresher, even without looking anything apart from this. It is not because it is just a very simple. It is good to have a simple resume. At least I can say because I have taken so many interviews, given so many interviews, so I can definitely say like simple resume works best, but like having the title resume it is not required. So Purvesh, I suggest you to better to remove this title. Purvesh, just your name is enough. Purvesh Wakode, if you write it here something like maybe like left a line, it would be good. And no need to mention your address, it is not required. Maybe Maharashtra state will be fine for you. Then mention your contact number. It is good to have contact number. Mention the country code as well, like +91, which is applicable for India. So you can mention like this. Also in the email address, I can see that you mentioned about your university email ID, which is not good to have. Suppose I am working in Accenture and I mention my Accenture ID, it is going to uh, put a bad impression on the resume. So better to mention your personal Gmail ID. So purveshwakode@gmail.com, that would be fine. No need to go anything apart from this. Am I visible to you and audible? Please let me know in the chat as well. Also in the LinkedIn section, I can see you mentioned your LinkedIn ID, which is also good to have. And but it is not customized. I can see it is not customized. And in GitHub URL is also good to mention. So let me check both of them. Yeah, profile looks good to me, but as I said, it is URL is not customized. So how can you make it customized? So if you go to your profile, just like I can go to my profile, you can see there is a very customized URL, Kaustubh Sharma official in the URL section. So you can do it by simply going to your profile, and here you can see public profile and URL. So click on this pencil icon and it will take you to this page, and here in the right hand side you can see edit your custom URL. So click on this pencil icon and you can customize your URL. So it will be good to have a very customized and clean and neat URL for LinkedIn, because there is an option available, so better to have it. And let's open your GitHub. So I can see very less commit uh, here, like in the last year. So if there is nothing there, then why it is better not to mention in the resume. You can remove this if you are not having that much of code into your code repositories. Better to get it removed. Then you mentioned about your education. See, it is not like properly formatted, and I can see no bullet points are mentioned here. It should be in bullet point. There is a comma here, but there is no comma here, and like no proper formatting is there. Better to make it properly formatted. Okay. Okay, you mentioned about your schooling. You mentioned BTech in cloud technology and information, which is very good to highlight here. You better mention this at the very starting. Like the sequence is correct, but you the format is not very good, and alignment is also not good. So you are currently in fourth sem. So I guess fourth, you want to write TH here, not third. Maybe I don't know which sem you are in, but correct it accordingly to your need. Okay. And here in the this is also fine to have. Then you mention about your training and certification, IBM certified advocate C10 issued September 20. So no need to mention about this, like when it is got issued or anything else, you can remove it. No information is required. And also this is also not required, that what this certification demonstrate. They already know it. If you are applying for a company, they should know what an IBM certified advocate means, and they already look for it, so no need to mention it. Maybe you can mention this line that you have any expertise in cloud technologies in services and solutions into your experience section, but there is no. And skill and interest you put at the last, so better to have this before this, before your training and certification. After education, as you are a fresher, you have to mention skill and skill only. What is interest? I don't know. Maybe just put a title as technical skills and mention it below your education part, because you are a fresher, so you have to put education first and then skills, and when you got experience, you have to put technical skills above everything. Okay. So better to have this. You mentioned about C++ programming. So you are looking for a cloud job. So better to mention in skills like cloud skills first. Like you can mention Amazon EC2, S3. I cannot see anything like this into here. You just mention like cloud computing technologies, like which cloud you are working. I cannot see except here that you mentioned Cloud Quest, and but no service is mentioned like S3, EC2, Lambda or anything. So mention that these are just the. It's look like you copy pasted it from Chat GPT or something like this. So no highlight is there in your resume. Okay. And so yeah, these all are good to mention training and certificate, but better to mention in such a way that it attracts the recruiter, because your resume is at after any point it is first picked up by an recruiter who might be a non-technical person. So he may be looking for some keywords like Amazon EC2, S3. Did you know S3? Did you know Kubernetes services or not? So these keywords he might be looking for, and use some action keywords, like you deployed something, you implemented something, you designed something. I cannot see any action keywords here. So okay, I hope you are getting uh, are you able to hear everything? And also make it one page only. I can see that it has two pages, although second page is totally blank, but make it one page only and remove this second page at all. Okay. So I hope you implemented all these like changes, and also put some action keywords, and in skills also elaborate it more. Okay. It will be good to have a elaborated elaborated skills in your resume. Okay, in chat, let me see if you are there. So, maybe you can mention some skills from AWS. I suggest you at least mention EC2, IAM, S3, and Route 53, VPC, and CloudWatch. So these are the very simple services which you need to mention from the AWS end if you are looking for AWS cloud. And maybe try to capture some DevOps skill as well. Maybe learn Terraform. You can go to my channel, and there is a playlist series. You can check that out, and also learn Kubernetes, Jenkins, Helm, and all this. But at least mention AWS skills. This will be the minimum criteria to have there. Okay. And in the experience section where you have to mention all these pointers in the bullet points, you can simply write like this: you implemented some you designed some cloud architecture, or you deployed any cloud infrastructure for production workload, you troubleshoot something, and you worked on some CI/CD pipelines and all. So better to mention some action keywords that already have some experience in, even though you are fresher. But nowadays there are many projects available to do on your own. So it will be good to have all these. Okay. So I hope the session is valuable for you, and check out the all the latest videos on my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.